In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move user stories on Jira, specifically if you need to handle multiple stories at once. Whether you're a project manager, a developer, or any team member using Jira, rearranging user stories can be a common task, so understanding how to do this efficiently is crucial. Let's begin by heading over to your project's board. This is your workspace hub where you'll view all the project issues and tasks. Once you're on the board, to efficiently find the specific user stories you want to move, make use of the available filtering options. Filters will help you narrow down the stories based on various criteria, ensuring you don't waste time sifting through irrelevant tasks. Once you've applied the filters and located the stories you want to shift, it's time to select them. If you're using a Windows computer, hold down the Control key. Mac users should hold the Command key instead. Click on each story you want to include in this move. This multi-select feature is handy for managing multiple stories without having to handle them one at a time. With the desired stories highlighted, you can now simply drag and drop them to their new location on your board. Whether you're transitioning them to another column to reflect a status update, or moving them onto a different sprint, Jira's drag and drop interface makes this process straightforward and intuitive. Next, if you need to navigate further and manage your issues more comprehensively, click on the Issues option, which you can find in the top navigation panel. This opens up a broader scope of your Jira tasks, allowing for a more detailed overview. Again, use the filters here to specify which stories you're targeting, enabling a focused view that streamlines your workflow. For more complex changes, particularly when moving large batches of stories, look to the upper right corner of your screen. There you'll find 3 dots, a menu which when clicked gives you the option for a bulk change. Selecting this option opens up a new range of possibilities for managing your tasks. Now, you'll be prompted to choose the specific issues you wish to change. Once you've selected them, click Next. The follow-up screen will give you the option to move issues. After selecting this, click Next again to proceed. You're almost there. At this stage, you'll be determining the destination for your issues. Choose the project, the issue type, and possibly an epic, depending on where you want these stories to end up. After confirming these details, perform one final review before clicking Next. Finally, it's time to confirm all the changes and carry out the move. By clicking Move, you're instructing Jira to apply all these adjustments, bringing your new organization to life. And that's it. With these steps, you're fully equipped to move multiple user stories around Jira, maintaining the smooth progress of your projects. Don't forget to regularly review and adjust your process as your team and projects evolve. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.